Load King model VB-6036 WL vertical baler. Unit's powered by a 10 horsepower electric motor. Low and high voltage 230 460. Bale chamber. Manually operated door. Starter control transformer and the 10 horsepower motor and hydraulic power pack. These balers are totally enclosed. You can see the platen going down here. Reaching the bottom of the cycle. And upon return, raises the upper door for reloading. And another view from the rear where you can better see the platen going